Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to migrate Wiki.js from one Ubuntu server to the other. I'm going to show you here, so if I say docker ps, as you can see I'm running Wiki here, and I'm going to migrate it to this new VM. It's actually a super easy process, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install Wiki, just like you did on this VM, but you're going to install it on your new VM. But you're only going to get a certain length into the installation process. So I'm going to start pasting in the commands here, and I'm going to get it to the point right before I would load the web page to run the installation. So basically I'm just pasting in these commands from their website on their Ubuntu install, and this is going to use Docker. So it's going to install everything it needs. We're going to set up the containers and start the containers, and then that's where we're going to stop. So I'm going to come back once I do that. All of these commands are going to be on the documentation website, which is actually what I'm migrating right now, but all the commands will be on there for you to use if you're doing the same thing. It's a really easy process to migrate it, and it's really easy to run Wiki.js. I've really enjoyed it. The admin page is really good, and that's what I use for my documentation. So I highly recommend checking it out. We're going to start the containers, and that's where we're going to leave it off. So now we're going to clear it, and we're going to move on to the next step here. Okay, so on our existing server, we're going to run this command, which is basically going to, hang on, before I do that, okay, we're going to run this command, which is going to back up Wiki into this wiki backup.dump file. So as you can see now, the file exists, and we can copy this to our other server using SCP. So we're going to say SCP wiki backup.dump. We're going to copy this over to Beam Networks at 192.168.1.199. We'll say home-beam networks. I can't send it to the root user because I don't have SSH set up for the root user. So once that goes through, we can actually exit out of this. And if we do ls, we can see our wiki backup.dump file. So at this point, we are done with this server to the left. We do not need this anymore. Everything we do from now on is going to be on the new server. So first we're going to stop the wiki database. So we're going to say sudo docker stop wiki. This is going to stop it from making database transactions and stuff while we're working on the database. So next we're going to copy. Next we're going to basically drop the database that's existing. We're going to delete everything that's existing on the database and completely recreate it. And then now we're going to say, we're going to paste this in. Next, I'm going to modify this to have sudo on that docker command. But basically what this is doing, we're going to read our wiki backup.dump file, and we're going to put it into this pg restore in the database, which basically means it's going to import it into the database. And finally, we can start the wiki, and if I run IPA again, we can grab the IP, and open this up in Microsoft Edge, and we can paste this IP in. As you can see, it's Beam Networks documentation. So it's the full documentation site. All the accounts get transferred to securely. I believe they're encrypted. And yeah, so all of the documentation articles I've created are now here. It's very nice to know that you can easily back up Wiki.js and migrate it to a new server. I've definitely migrated this a lot because it's very easy to, and it's a lot easier than migrating the actual VM because the dump file is like 1.6 megs. It's super quick. So usually it's fast enough for me to just reinstall it on a remote server and import this 1.6 megabyte file into the new server. So that is how you migrate Wiki.js to a new server. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.